How to set up a 99 rupees workshop automation. To set up a workshop automation system for 99 rupees, you can use various tools and platforms to automate the registration, payment, communication, and delivery processes. Here's a simplified guide to setting up this automation. 1. Choose an automation platform. Select an automation platform that fits your requirements and budget. Popular options include Zapier, Integromat, and Automate.io. These platforms allow you to create automated workflows, zaps, scenarios, or bots, to streamline tasks and processes. 2. Create a registration form. Use a form builder tool like Google Forms, Typeform, or JotForm to create a registration form for your workshop. Include fields for participants to enter their name, email address, and any other necessary information. 3. Integrate payment gateway, optional. If you're charging 99 rupees for the workshop, you may choose to integrate a payment gateway to collect payments from participants. Platforms like Instamojo, Razorpay, or PayPal offer easy integration options for accepting payments online. 4. Set up automation workflow. Create an automation workflow using your chosen automation platform to streamline the registration and payment process. For example, when a participant submits the registration form, trigger an action to send them an automated email confirmation. C. If payment is required, integrate the payment gateway to collect payment upon form submission. D. Once payment is confirmed, trigger another action to send participants a confirmation email with workshop details and instructions for joining. 5. Schedule reminder emails. Schedule automated reminder emails to be sent to participants before the workshop to ensure they don't miss the event. Set up reminders to be sent a day or two before the workshop, as well as on the day of the workshop. 6. Deliver workshop content. Decide on the platform or tool you'll use to deliver the workshop content. You can host live sessions on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, or pre-record the workshop content and host it on a video sharing platform like YouTube or Vimeo. 7. Automate follow-up. After the workshop, automate follow-up actions such as sending thank you emails, requesting feedback, or providing additional resources or materials related to the workshop topic. 8. Monitor and optimize. Monitor the performance of your automation workflow and make adjustments as needed to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Analyze metrics such as registration rates, payment completion rates, email open rates, and participant feedback to optimize your processes. By setting up this workshop automation system, you can streamline the registration, payment, communication, and delivery processes for your 99 rupees workshop, saving time and effort while providing a seamless experience for participants.